안녕하세요. Junpar Oppa, Soki Oppa. I just left message for you too. Um, nice to see you. I must I must say thank you for God because um, He made me get a friend for you too. So thank you God. And gumawa pa, gumawa Soki, gumawa Jun because you two always support me because you know that I like Hyun, but Hyun say if maybe he just like me as a friend, so it just never mind for me because many in other have a boy who he loves me. So gumawa Junapa. I want to hear your voice. I think you get good voice because you are singers, right? And Soki Oppa. I wanna pinch you. I wanna pinch you and hit your head. I think just kidding. No. Gumawa Soki Oppa, you are a good friend. You are a good brother. I promise. I still your friend and your sister. Gumawa.